Watch this. I gave to Claude Desktop an instruction and right now it's adding a new section to this Elementor page for me, live. This is Novamira Visual, a workspace where your agent opens the editor and works in front of you in real time in WordPress. The agent opens the editor inside the workspace, drops in elements, arranges the layout, and builds out the section step by step. There's no jumping back and forth between a chat window and the editor. It all happens in one place right in front of you. And now here's the same thing with the Gutenberg block editor. And one thing worth knowing, Novamira Visual isn't a separate plugin, it's part of Novamira. The same WordPress site can run the standard connection and the visual workspace at the same time. Watch the agent open the block editor, add and edit blocks and build the page live. Remember that just like Novamira itself, Novamira Visual should always be used on a staging environment with backups. Novamira Visual works with any MCP client like Claude Code, Claude Desktop, Codex, Cursor, Antigravity, and more. It's an experiment and it grows with your feedback. So, you can find everything at novamira.ai. Give it a try and let us know how it goes.